Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you can join me, and thank you for joining me. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my old subscribers. I'm just glad that you stopped by to spend a few minutes with me. And I'm only going to take a few minutes. I was asked quite a few questions about the box and how hard it was to put together and what everything is. I will show you the die and show you how it's cut out, and then you'll be able to see. And then the boxes are just glued together, and I just added some trim. These are dollar store pieces that I painted up to put on them. This is a tray that I got also at the dollar store that I wanted to have it in. I wanted to have it in something that I could carry it and stand it up. So that's a Hobby Lobby piece, and then just paper background that matches the boxes. So it's a very easy process, and I did enjoy doing it, and I'm gonna have fun putting the 12 days of Christmas items in for my daughter. So I think I'll just turn the camera down and show you how easy it's done. The boxes are made, and then you just make as many boxes as you need to make whatever you can make. If you check out eileenhull's fan club on I think it's on YouTube. It's a Facebook, her Facebook group, Eileen Hull Fan Club. You'll see all kinds of ways they use the box. Or if you search for the box. So this is the die. This is the die. It's the Eileen Hull, and you can see they made little cabinets and little doll. You can make a little, if you have a daughter and she has dolls, you can make little doll places, little jewelry boxes. You can make lots of stuff, and her fan club has a lot of things where the people have made it. The name of the box is the box stacking drawer box, and the number is 663633. Very easy box. It's a Biggs die, a scoreboard die, so it cuts through all kinds of material. Let me turn my camera down, and you can see what I've done. Trying to get my camera down is like always a mess, but I'm glad you're here to see what I got going on. Okay, let me move this out of the way so it doesn't get messed up, because I'm so proud of it. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna move my little background here so I can have some space to work. So I'm hoping everybody's doing well, and I'm hoping everybody's starting their Christmas crafting. I started early because I have a lot of cards I have to make for my book club. I think I told you that before. So from the die, what I did was I covered I used this mat board. Use the mat board. Sorry for the glare. So I covered the mat board. I decided I wanted to keep the insides of the drawers white. So I covered the mat board, and this time I covered it with, this is that Dollar Tree, because it's already sticky. It's that Dollar Tree wallpaper. I love that stuff. I use it for a lot of different things, and it cuts out this way. I just dropped a piece on the floor. So it cuts out like that. So it cuts out this way. It already has the fold lines and everything in it. So what you do is you fold on the fold lines. And as you can see, the fold lines have made the little part where you put the box in. So once you fold it, you have this little fold that the box goes in. So then I just used a little hot glue, because I got my little hot glue gun over here. So I just used a little hot glue on it. You know, me and hot glue usually don't work well together because I'm forever burning myself. So I use a little hot glue, and you take the box and you put it together like that. So this is the part where the drawer slides into. And that was really done really quickly. because the score lines are all there for you. So you have your little rectangle where it's already there for you. So there you are with that. Next, you get these pieces. So once again, press the scores. Get them all. I like the scoreboard dies because it makes it so easy for everything that scores. And I kind of like that. And then you just fold this here together till you make the box shape. So once I get the box shape going, I take that and I see that I got it the way I like it. Then I put a little hot glue here. Well, I meant to put a little hot glue. I think I put a lot of hot glue. Let me take a little bit off because I think I put a lot of hot glue and I just needed a little hot glue. I'm a little hot glue crazy sometimes when that happens. So then, you fit that together. You fit your box together. And see, it is a little box. Then, once again, try not to be heavy-handed. I know Eileen does hers a different way. She uses tape. I put a little hot glue here around the box shape, holding it tight so I can get my glue in there. I wish my gun was thinner. Oop, now that's terrible. Got some on the side. See, that's what I always do when I'm playing with hot glue. Let me go in with my little card again. Push that glue down. I hope you're better at playing with hot glue than I am. So then you have this bottom, and you take it and you fit it down on top of where you put your glue. There, and I think I can clean that all off by just rubbing it out. So there, you have your drawer piece. Let me get all the strings out the way. So you have your drawer piece. So once you have your drawer piece, and remember, this doesn't have to be like a bookcase or anything like that. And I usually rub just to make sure it goes in there good. I have this little soap thing that I have. I like to rub a little soap along it. So you could actually put paper there so your bottom could be covered. So I usually put that on there so it slides in there really nicely for me. One of my soaps I made smells good too. Still smells good. So then you just take it and slide it in. You want it to be a little bit tight. And there you have your box. I think I might have I might have glued it differently because it doesn't slide in here very good. Let me try it. Maybe I slide it in the wrong side. But you want it to be a little tight. There. That's better. That's a little bit better. So there you have it, your box. And you can use it for all kinds of things that you need. It pushes it out. Put some jewelry in it, put a little gift in it, a little bow. Do I got a little bow? Let's try a little bow on it. Let's see if we can put a little bow on it. Put a little bow on it. I have these little bows. I got them from Hobby Lobby when they had one of their big clearance sales. So you put a little bow on it. And there you go. Nice gift for a friend, all ready to go. There you go. So that's how you make the boxes. So you can make as many as you want, put them together, and that's how you make the boxes that made this. So there it is, all nicely made with a bow on it. So that's how you do it. It's easy. It only takes a few minutes. So I hope that was a good enough tutorial. and that you're able to see how it was done. I think it came out pretty cute. I think it looks pretty cute. I may have not have glued it as good as I usually did. I should have paid more attention to how I was putting the glue on it, but it does slip in a little bit better than the one I got hanging out here like this. I think my dimensions are off. I didn't put it on pretty tight, but if you pay attention to it and get it on just right, it'll be perfect like these guys. So there you are. Nice little box though. You know, when you're doing your swaps and everything, perfect little box. So let me show you the die again. So this is the die, the eileenhull stacking box die, and that's what it makes. That's what it makes, this box. And that's how I made those. So let me know what you think. If you have this one, because I've had this in my stash for a while. I'm trying to go back over to my stash and use some of the dies that I have, and I have quite a few of the eileenhull dies, so you'll probably see a lot of projects in there. So I'm going to submit this project also into Saturday Morning Makes, so that it can be a part of Saturday Morning Makes, this tutorial and this box. So thank you very much for joining me. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I would like for you to press that subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 800 subscribers, so any little bit helps. And I do think I craft very well here and everything, so I'm hoping you'll join me. If you have any questions about the box or any questions about the project, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you now. Bye.